let me kind of quickly. I know that this is going to be 0. So then that allows me to come down here and say v sine theta t equals a over 2t squared. So I solve both this and this for t, and that's how I get this down here. And when I cross multiply to get ax equals this, I see the double angle theorem tells me 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So I get ax is equal to v squared. What was a? A was EQ over here. I get EQX over M is equal to v squared sine 2 theta. And of course, theta is 45. So what's the sine of 90? 1. So that goes away. And I get E is equal to v squared M over QX. Plug everything in and get my answer. That's annoying. Okay. So yeah, rather than going for this, which was the pure algebra way, I could jump from this y dimension without even using the x dimension and come through because they give us the mass. Oh, we know it's an electron. So we know the mass, we know the velocity, we know theta, we know the charge, we know... Wait, we don't know the time.
You can solve with the time you
Ah!
Which is essentially the same thing.
Go ahead and finish that. Just so you can see where we're... Then to do this, to go back to the x. And in that x, you say, again, just like I said before, t is x over v cos theta. So you have to take that and plug it in there. And that is this. It's ostensibly the same thing. Because do you see what you're going to get? You're going to get 2m, and then here's v squared, and here's sine theta, here's cos theta.
You get a tangent.
Right? It's the same thing. No, you don't get a tangent, because this is...
Oh, yeah.
See, so that's going to go to the top. So you get exactly this thing. So you're going to get sine 2 theta, but theta is 45, so it becomes 1. You get this. So whatever. It's both omnis via Appia ad Romani, right? They all lead to Rome, so there you go.
What? When we go into world history, it goes as far back as World War II.
Okay. So yeah. From this, please, your attention. From this, we get E. Once you've got E, now we can just go ahead and find Y. Do you see how? Just go back to my initial equation, plug E in here, right? Plug E into this. That gives you A. Boom. Solve for Y.
Y is 0.
Okay, so you do need to use this to get the time, but there you go. Or, you know what? You could do it this way, too, if you want to be clever. Do this in orange. Velocity of y at the, and then the velocity of y at the bottom is v sine theta. And then if you're looking for this height, y, then you can say this. V squared is equal to v0 squared plus 2ay. And then from that, you can finish. We're going to take a quiz tomorrow, so let's go ahead and be ready for that. And then tomorrow night's homework will be the next chapter. So we will have a quiz tomorrow, and we'll probably also do a warm-up, which should take the whole period.
One warm-up, right? One warm-up to take up the period? No, the quiz one.
No, the warm-up and quiz will take up the period.
You're talking about it. You just wrote the quiz.